Hello guys, for reference while doing this sample, I'm using Loops and Threads Classic Cotton, and I'm using the recommended hook size, which is a 5mm hook. We'll start with the slip knot, and this stitch, the chain foundation row, is made in multiples of 3 plus 7. So get your slip knot on your hook, and you'll start with a row of chains. Do any multiple of 3 plus 7. Here I have 18 chains, which is a multiple of 3, and then I'm going to add 7. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the 7th chain from our hook, we will go inside and make 1 single crochet. We'll then chain 2, skip 2 chains, and single crochet into the 3rd. This will be our repeat pattern for this row. So chaining 2, skipping 2 chains, and single crocheting into the 3rd. You'll do this all the way to the end, and I'll meet you back here. I've just finished row 1. This is what it should look like. Before we start row 2, I'm going to change colors. Since I changed colors, I will be chaining 1, and then I'm going to flip my work. In this first single crochet right here, I'm going to go in and make a single crochet. I'm then going to chain 3, and then inside this chain 2 space, I'm going to place 3 double crochets. Now we will start the repeat for this row. We're not chaining or anything. We're just going to go right into this next chain 2 space and make another 3 double crochets. And I will meet you at the end. For every chain 2 space you come across, put 3 double crochets inside. I have just completed putting 3 double crochets in each chain 2 space. Here's what it looks like. Now, to finish this row, what we're going to do is, remember over here, this was where we started. We have 7 chains. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, or 6 chains, I forget, but we're going to, in this chain that's like connected to this row 1, we're going to do 1 double crochet in that chain. Here's what that looks like. Now we'll be moving on to row 3. Before I move to row 3, I will be changing colors again. To start row 3, we will chain 3. and flip our work. For this row, what we'll do is double crochet into this space in between these two double crochet clusters. So yarning over, going in, you're going to kind of pull up a little bit and complete your double crochet. Should look like that. Chain one, and then what we'll do is we have this little space right here. We're going to double crochet in back and over here. So we'll go in, kind of pull up just like we did on the other side. Oh, sorry, I didn't yarn over, excuse me. We yarn over, go into that space, pull up, and complete our double crochet. We'll then do the same thing where we yarn over, go into the next space over here, pull up, complete our double crochet, chain one, and then go back over here, pull up, and complete our double crochet. And this is how we will start forming these X's. They look a little funky right now, but they'll straighten out as we go, just like how this one kind of has. It looks a little funky at first. So again, I'll show you. Double crochet in here, this next space in between the clusters, pull up a little bit, complete your double crochet, chain one, and go back into the previous space, making a double crochet. And you'll do that all the way till the end. And here we are for row 3. To finish, we have this chain 3 space. I'm going to double crochet into the third single crochet at the top, and then I'm going to change colors before I move on to row 4. Now these are our repeat rows. I'm going to show you row 4 just because how we go into, so for row 2 here we had this different pattern. I'm going to show you how to go into this row, and then you have it all from there. You just do that. So for row 4, since I changed colors, I'm going to chain 1, but we will be chaining 3 to begin. I'm going to count that first chain as that, and we'll turn our work. So as you can see, for these X's we have this middle chain. So let me flip it for you real quick. See, we have like the 1 and the 1. We have the 1 double crochet, the chain, and the double crochet. We're going to go into this middle chain and do 3 double crochets. So we have the double, and the chain. That's where we're going to do our 3 double crochets. And again, we'll go into that middle chain that we made in the previous row and do 3 double crochets. No chaining in between, just 3 double crochets in that chain 1 that we made. Here's what it'll look like. And I'll meet you at the end. I've just finished this row. Here's what it looks like. And to finish, just like before, we will do a double crochet into the third chain. I think that was the third chain, yeah. I'm going to change colors. We'll then chain 3. Turn our work, and we're going to be doing the exact same row as row 3. So row 3 and 4 are our real repeat rows. That's what I consider, because this one we did go in a little bit differently. So you will just keep repeating row 3 and row 4 for the entire time. So we'll just start just like we did that row by going in here, pulling up a little bit, making a double crochet, chain 1, go back into this space, and that's it. You will just keep doing these 2 rows. So when you complete this one, you'll just go right in the middle just like before. And here is my sample complete. I think it looks so lovely, beautiful. I think it also looked really good with purple or black. And that is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Bye!